Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. This video is a tutorial on Airtable project management. In this video, we will talk about Airtable and we will show you the sign up and account setup processes on the platform. We will show you how to import your project data to Airtable and how to create a workspace, how to create a new project, and also we will show you how to track and manage your project. Make sure you're watching this video till the end. Now let's begin. Airtable is nothing but a project management tool that helps you connect your data, workflows, and teams. So, if you're someone who's having a lot of projects to manage and teams to look after, then this one is for you. The sign up is free on this platform. To sign up, you simply need to click on the sign up for free button at the top right side. Now this will take you to the sign up page where you can see you can either sign up using your email or you have the option to sign up using your Google email ID, or else you can also continue with your Apple ID. We're going ahead and using our email address. So if you click on the space and type in your email address and then click on the continue button, you will be taken to this page where you can create your free account by simply putting in your full name. So go ahead, put in your full name and you can see a preview of it on the right side. Enter a password as well and then click on the continue button. This will take you to the next page where it'll be the account setup processes first question, which is what team are you on? There are a couple of options over here, as you can see, based on the industry or the field, like there is marketing and there is creative production, engineering, IT support, sales and account management, a lot of options over here. We're going ahead with creative production and you can see the preview has changed. Click on the continue button and then you'll be taken to this page where you need to select your members or invite your members, and you've got options over here to put in their email address. Well, this is an optional step, so we're going ahead and skipping it for now. Then comes the page where it'll ask you to import your project data, and there are 4 options over here: Google Sheets, Microsoft Excel, you can import a CSV file or paste table data. Let's go ahead and upload an Excel sheet. So click on it and a pop-up window will open, and over here you can see there are all these options to import a file, like you can import from your device or paste a URL or import from Google Drive, Dropbox, or from Box, or from OneDrive or OneDrive Business. We're going ahead and uploading a document from our device. So click on it and a pop-up will open and you can select your document. The selected document's name will appear over here. Then click the upload button and you can see a preview of the Excel sheet over here. You can go through it and if everything seems to be fine, then all you need to do is click on the import button over here. Now it'll be importing your whatever file you've uploaded. And once the import is done, you can see that it'll take you to the imported file on Airtable. There is a 14-day trial as well for pro members. Anyway, let's just hit on get started and move this out of the way as well as move this out of the way. So yes, this is the project or the file that we had uploaded after the account setup process. You can see the name of it on the top left corner and all the details over here. We can rename it by simply clicking on the name, and you can type whatever you want on the name as well over here. And below you can select a color for its appearance. And there are a couple of icons as well that you can choose from, just to give it a customized look for the project, the specific project. And if you click on here, there are these options. You can also delete this. Now let's go ahead and go to the dashboard. So let's move this document out of the way, and this is the dashboard. Let's do a quick walkthrough of it. Now, first thing we need to do is verify our email. So let's go ahead and do that. Now, if you go and check your email, you will see that there is a confirmation email received from Airtable. And to confirm your email, you simply need to click on this confirm my account button. Clicking on the button will take you back to Airtable, the dashboard. Now, what's there on this dashboard? Let's see quickly. On the top navigation bar, you have different tabs. The first one is Bases, then we have Templates, Marketplace, and Universe. On the right side, there is a help icon, the notifications icon, and your account. In the center, you can see the workspace. So it is currently by default named as my first workspace because we did not name it in the beginning. If you click on this drop down, you've got all these options like workspace settings, share workspace, rename workspace. Let's click that and rename this workspace. We're renaming it to something like finance project. Okay. And under that workspace, you can see that there is the finance data Excel sheet that we had uploaded earlier. Now, if you want to add a document, or as it's called on Airtable Base, you simply need to click this plus icon over here. And whatever document you have uploaded over here, you have the options through this drop down menu to change its color and icon. You can duplicate it or even delete it. On the left side, you can see you can create a new workspace by clicking on add a workspace, and it will get added over here. Let's give it a name. We are naming it marketing project. And again, if you click on this plus icon, you can upload a file or your project data to it. Now let's go ahead to the templates tab. There are a couple of templates on Airtable, and they cater to a lot of categories, as you can see on the left side over here. So these are all the categories for project management, and under each category there will be a set of templates over here. If you click on any template, it'll open and you can edit it according to your project's needs. So you can see there is content calendar, project tracker, things like marketing campaign tracking, product ops for teams, product catalog, product launch, bug tracker, event planning, user research, simple applicant tracker, and digital video production. So let's go ahead and just see how a template looks like. We're choosing this one, which is project tracker. And once you have selected the template, it'll open as a preview. You can go through it over here. This is just an overview. You can scroll down, take a look at it, and if everything seems to be fine and you want to go ahead and use this template, then simply click on the Use Template button on the side over here. When you click on Use Template, it will ask you to add it to a project or a workspace. And so let's go ahead and add it to a workspace and click on Add Base. And this is the template. So we have selected Project Tracker. So this is how it'll be. If you want to use Airtable for tracking your project or project management, this template will be good for you. As you can see, it has got all pre-made stuff over here. There are different columns like task, status, subtask, etc. So you can see under task, there are a couple of already mentioned tasks over here. And if you click on any of these tasks name, you can edit it. Let's go ahead and edit the name of this task. So we have renamed this task as marketing partners. Then under status, you can see that there are a couple of options, like it's a drop down. So you can choose the status of the project, like if it is in progress or kickoff or completed, etc. Then under subtask, there are a couple of subtasks already mentioned. And if you want to change anything, all you need to do is you can either untick it or else you can add a new one. Let's go ahead and add a new subtask and write something like find at least 5 marketing partners or something like that. And so that is how you add a new subtask under the task. With this, we have completed our tutorial on how to use Airtable for project management. We truly hope this video has helped you understand Airtable. Let us know your thoughts in the comments section below. We'll catch you soon in our next video. Till then, stay tuned and stay subscribed.